y'all, welcome back to my channel, Beautiful Journey. I'm Tina and I'm glad you decided to stop by for a little while. One of the hardest things for me about doing an unboxing video is waiting to film after an order comes in to open the box. Normally, I'm pretty good about it. But this time, the box didn't make it to the unboxing and it wasn't me that opened it. If you want to hear more about this story and see what I got in my e.l.f. order, then stick around because that's what we're doing in this video. Before I get started though, I want to draw your attention to the new item in my background. The candle that's burning on my shelf up here is from my daughter's small business, Basics by Babs. I'm so proud of her for all that she has done in creating this business, all of the products she creates herself, and she has an Etsy shop, she does farmers markets locally, she has luxury candles, wax melts, scrunchies, hair scarves, and her newest item for her spring launch is her patchwork bucket hats that are just so cute. So I'm going to link her shop down in my description box below, and if you guys would go over and check it out, that would just be awesome. Anyway, I'm done bragging about my daughter. Let's get into the e.l.f. order. So I told you that the box didn't make it to the filming of the unboxing before the tab got pulled, and it was my daughter who wanted to get her moisturizer. She's been wanting me to order her one for quite some time, and I finally got around to doing it. She'd used mine and really liked it. And that is the e.l.f. Holy Hydration Hydrogel Moisturizer. If you watched my empties, you would see that I had one of these in there because I had used it up and I really like it. I will purchase another one for me when I'm finished with the moisturizer that I'm working on now. So this is my daughter's and she pulled the tab on the box this time. And then her question to me was, Mom, why does an e.l.f. box need 6 flaps? I don't know, but they do package their stuff really nicely and things aren't broken when they get to you. So this item was not on sale. It retails for $12 and that's what I paid for it. I think I'll go through the regular price items first and then go through the sale items. e.l.f. had a 20% off sale and then had an additional 40% off for Icon members. And I have achieved Icon status at e.l.f. because I love so many of their products. That status gives me free shipping on all of my orders. It also provides early access to new releases and, as in this case, extra percentages off sometimes when they have sales. 2 other items that I've just been really anxious to try and so I paid full price for them is the Power Grip Primer. I have the Mint Melt Cooling Primer and the Jelly Pop Primer I love, and so I was curious to see how this compares to those. And I've heard that it's a dupe for the Milk Makeup Gripping Primer. Don't have that, so not going to be able to compare it, but I will be able to compare it to the Mint Melt and the Jelly Pop because they have both of those. This retails for $10. And then I got the e.l.f. Camo Powder Foundation. I was hoping to find this in a store, but my Walmart doesn't have a big enough e.l.f. display. They don't have any of these. So I went ahead and ordered it. And this retails for $11. I got the color Fair 125C. So let's see how I did. Picking colors online is always a gamble. So we have the compact and then underneath here, we have the sponge and there's a mirror as well. So it's really a nice package. So let's go ahead and swatch it and see how I did with the color. It's very soft. And I'm going to just put it right here. I think I did a good job. So I do plan on reviewing this and that video will be up very, very soon. So we'll see how this does on my mature skin. I have combo normal to oily. I'm a little bit oily in my T-zone. Right now I have a little bit of dryness on my upper lip because of tretinoin use. And so it's a little tricky sometimes using a powder foundation, but I'm going to review it. So if you want to make sure that you don't miss that review, then make sure you're subscribed and that your notifications are turned on, because if you don't have the notifications turned on, then you're relying on YouTube to put it on your home screen and you may miss it. So those were the 3 items I got that were full price. Everything else was on sale, 20% off plus an additional 40% off. And the first thing I got is this Mint Melt Fresh Cooling Facial Cleanser. I needed a new cleanser and this one was on sale. It retails for $8 and I got it for $3.84. So it was a really good deal. And so I'm excited to try it and see how it goes. Another item I got is the Jelly Pop Luscious Lip Mask and it's called One in a Melon. And it just looked really interesting to me. It says dry lips are out, luscious lips are in. Containing papaya enzymes, this product helps smooth away rough texture, while watermelon extract and hyaluronic acid help leave your lips soft and smooth. with this intensely hydrating jelly lip mask. Flaky lips are a thing of the past. So I'm going to open this up. Let me find my scissor. This product retails for $6 and I got it for $2.88. It has a little spatula in the packaging. Oops, just popped it out. And that's what it looks like. Why is this so hard to open? So it's very, oh, that's an interesting, that's not what I was expecting. So it looks like that. Honestly, it feels a lot like the Laneige lip mask and almost has a little bit of an oily texture. I'm going to use that tonight when I go to bed, and that feels amazing on my hand. Wow. Okay. I'm enjoying that. And oh, it smells like watermelon. It smells so good. So yes, very glad to have this for $3. No, for $2.88. And then the last thing I got that I paid for, there's a couple of free gifts in here, was the e.l.f. Daily Hydration Moisturizer. And mainly I got this to see how it compared to the Hydrogel because it was on sale. Normally it retails for $8. I got it for $3.84. And like I said before, the Hydrogel was $12. So if it's similar, hey, I'll buy a $3.84 moisturizer. Oh, there's a little goldfish on the top. Isn't that cute? So let's see how it feels. And inside it says, skin feeling thirsty? Take a dip. Very cute. Nice packaging, e.l.f. So it has a pump, which is really nice. And let's see what it feels like. My hands are really dry, so this should feel good. Yeah. It feels lightweight but creamy and moisturizing, so I think it's going to be a good daily under makeup kind of moisturizer. I don't know if it's heavy enough for like a nighttime moisturizer. I use the e.l.f. Holy Hydration for my nighttime moisturizer and I just love it. I love it so very much. But my hand that was like this one and looking really dry is now looking very smooth, and those lines and cracky parts are all filled in. So, and I don't smell any scent in there, so I like that. So I will let you know how that works for me. Then, because my order was over $25, I got 2 free gifts, and the first one I chose was the Mint Melt Lip Gloss, and I already have this color, so the plan was just to get it and put it in my 300 subscriber giveaway, which, by the way, will be coming up very, very soon. I'm in the 290s, so I'm hoping that sometime within this next week we'll get above 300, and then I plan to do a giveaway. So if you want that giveaway to happen sooner, then be sure to share this video with somebody that you think might like it by hitting that share button. And also, if you're not subscribed, subscribe, because that giveaway is going to be only for people who are subscribed to my channel. And then the other gift I got was a travel size of the Holy Hydration Cleanser, and I just finished this up. This is a really good cleanser too. So I'll be interested to compare this one with the Mint Melt, and I'll let you know how they compare, which one I like better, and all of that. I have one more thing to share with you. It didn't come from e.l.f., it came from Target, and it is my Holy Grail Foundation, the No. 7 Lift and Luminate Triple Action Serum Foundation in Cool Vanilla. I was watching Bobby over at Mindful Midlife, and she was doing a foundation review on the new No. 7 foundation, and had mentioned when she went to look up the serum foundation, this one, that a lot of the colors were sold out and she was having trouble finding it, which put me in panic mode because this guy just hit my Project Use Up the Dribs and Drabs empties bin. This is one that I really don't want to be without, so if they're discontinuing it, I wanted to make sure that I got a new one right away. I went on Amazon to look for them, and they were like $25. So I managed to find my color, which is Cool Vanilla, on Target's website, and I should have gotten 2, but I just got one because it does have a sunscreen in it, and so I didn't want to get into expiration and stuff like that. And so by the time I use this one up, if it actually is discontinued, then I will just have to buy more foundation to find one I like, I guess, and along the way, review them for you. Like I said, I don't know that it is being discontinued, but if you're like me and this is a foundation that you just absolutely love, I just wanted you to know that it is getting a little expensive on Amazon and hard to find in other places. So take that information for what it's worth. I hope you enjoyed my little unboxing of the few things that I got from e.l.f. and my foundation. And if you would like to see more unboxings, then click on the playlist right there. And if you would just like to watch another video that YouTube thinks you would enjoy, then click on that one right there. I hope that you all have a beautiful, blessed day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.